Guys, I thought I'd do a quick video. I'm not sure if it'll be interesting or not. I, from time to time, need to install new circuits in the garage, and I'm always trying to turn circuits on and off and figure out what outlet goes to what breaker. So I'm going to label them, and I bought a label maker a while back, and so I'm going to label the circuits. You also could just do it with a permanent marker on the cover, the outlet cover. Alright guys, so here's the cover. This is a before picture. We're gonna just use a marker to ink in the numbers here. Here is it labeled. I've got space savers, so I label them A and B because the different outlets or the different breakers, you can get a space saver has 2 on one circuit. So I've got these labeled 1 through 12, A and B. If you don't have it, get one of these or something similar. It'll give you an instant visual check on if your outlets are on, plus it tests whether a bunch of different conditions exist. Quick and easy to check circuits. Alright guys, it's going to be over 100 today, so I'm already sweating like crazy. One of the things about this Dymo, or whatever the brand name is, I think the minimum margin's 1/4 inch, and so it prints a pretty large label, so unfortunately I'm having to use scissors to trim every single label, but I'll show you guys what I'm trimming them down to. So that's circuit 4A. Now, the idea here is I've had those labels peel up over time, and so I'm going to do a little experiment. I went to the art store and got polyurethane gloss varnish. You'll have to ask some art person at the front counter. Haven't tried this yet. Don't know if it's how it's gonna affect it. I'm hoping it just clears and seals the edge of the sticker. Not gonna do this until I get all my circuits set up, because I think I'm gonna have to move one of my 110 circuits. So I'm not gonna go into how the box is set up. It's not legitimate. That's on me. So, but I'm gonna move. I think I have to move a circuit for the 220 I want to put in here. So, anyways, I'll show you guys some more when I get a little further along. Alright, another quick lesson on this label maker. If you print one label at a time, the spacing looks like this. If you print what I did on the right side of that image is I just typed it twice with a double space, meaning I'm trying to save sticker material because the sticker material is ridiculously expensive. So anyways, don't print one sticker at a time. Just if you've got multiple outlets, just put the number with 2 spaces and then the number again and print it all as one sticker and then cut it up with scissors. Alright guys, so I labeled all of the outlets. I'll give you a quick tour of them, not all of them, but just some of them. So you can see here's my VFD, and so it's on circuit 9A 11B, 240 volt single phase input, and then this says 3-phase VFD controlled. That's the output. You can see right there that's circuit 8A. And if we go over here, you'll see that this is circuit 2B. And so, let's see. And so I got them all labeled. There's a couple I couldn't get that were behind some toolboxes. I'll get them whenever the toolboxes get moved, if they get moved ever. I'm 99% sure I gotta switch over some circuits because I think I'm one circuit short of a 220 volt, and I literally have like an outside light and a wall outlet on a circuit, so I've just got some way under underutilized circuits, I guess is what the terminology would be. So anyways, hope this helps somebody. Sure makes it easier when you got a problem at an outlet, you know which place to run to and switch the breaker off. So hope this helps somebody. Talk to you guys later.